Ooh, my camera's bouncing around. Got it balanced precariously on a box because I haven't dug my tripod out where it's supposed to go. Smoking an Alec Bradley Black Market Punk. And I'm drinking a little Angel's Envy whiskey. It was going to be Yellowstone tonight, but I broke the cork getting it out of the bottle a while ago. So, after I fixed that, I didn't really break it. The little lid thingy was glued to the top of the cork, and the glue let loose. So I'll actually get a tool and take that cork out of there. And we'll see it again later. I was reading an article online. About how our illustrious Commander-in-Chief agonized over the decision to trade a WNBA player who was in prison in Russia over some sort of a drug-related offense. I read she's been there for 10 months. Okay. But she was traded for it, she was traded for an international arms dealer, who I believe is from Russia. Now, I'm reading comments and things like that about how she should have never been in the prison in the first place, blah, 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 blah. It was only a cannabis. She had a cannabis-related product, or a cannabis-based product. I don't know what it was. I didn't read enough to figure it out. And I don't care. Here's the deal. I traveled around a lot overseas when I was in the military. And when you go to another person's country, you follow their laws. You don't just decide that going, hey, oh, this is okay here, so, it should be okay in your country too. Because, I get to make that decision. You don't. And this is good advice for people coming to our country too, by the way. You follow our laws. You don't follow the laws you want to follow. But anyway, apparently this gal went to Russia and ended up getting caught with this product, which was apparently illegal there. And she ended up going to jail for it. And we thought that was so bad and so terrible that we decided to trade an arms dealer, an international arms dealer. We decided to free an international arms dealer. And what did we get back? Someone who has a problem with some kind of drug. Seems like fair trade, I guess. I mean, it's not like the guy that we traded is in a profession where lots of people could possibly die once we put him back onto the streets. I guess we feel that's fair. And Biden supposedly agonized over making this decision. And he's really sorry that he didn't get a former Marine out of prison who's been over there for 4 years. 4 years. Not 10 months. 4 years. Now, I didn't look into this guy. I'll be perfectly honest with you. All I know is he's a former Marine. I saw some headlines flash by as I was going there. He may or may not have a dishonorable discharge. I don't even know what he did. Okay? But I'm fairly certain it's probably not as bad as international arms dealing. So the president apparently agonized so much that he didn't make the deal to get them both out. And he didn't agonize enough to say, listen, given the choice, we'll take the former Marine for the for the arms dealer. Now I don't know what the Marine did. I don't even know what the basketball player did. I'll be perfectly honest with you. They both apparently got caught doing something against the law in Russia. Or maybe not. I don't know. I don't know how the Marine got there. I do know how the girl got there. She got caught in Russia with a product that's illegal. And went to jail for it. We know what the guy that was traded for her did. He's an international arms dealer. I don't know how you can make that sound good. Well, you know, you're right. That seems like a great trade. We get somebody back who plays a game, and you get somebody back who sells weapons on the international market. Yeah, that sounds totally fair. Sounds totally like a good trade. I don't know. It's kind of like playing cards and going, listen, here's the deal. I know we're playing poker, but what I'm going to do for you is I know you've got a deuce over there. I will trade you these 4 aces for that deuce. Woo. Now I know I'm going to get the hate. Because, you know, it's only marijuana. That shouldn't even be illegal. But it is. It is. And she was in Russia. Lots of things are illegal. So, with all that being said, I don't care whether you think what she did should be legal or illegal. I don't care what you think what you think the Marine did was legal or illegal. I don't even know what he did. I'll be perfectly honest with you. But we know what the other guy did that we traded, that we let go. I mean, hell, let's let a bunch of other guys go too. Murderers, rapists, thieves. I mean, we get someone with a drug problem back. That seems perfectly fair. I don't know what the world's coming to. With all that being said, y'all have a great evening. I'm going to finish this whiskey. And I'm going to finish my cigar. And just wait for the other shoe to fall. Hey, talk to y'all later. Thanks for your views and thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. And if you want to support the channel, there's some links in the description box. One of them will take you to my suggested gear page on Self-Reliance Outfitters. One of them will take you to my Amazon shop, showing you things that I kind of recommend on Amazon. With all that being said, if you want to support the channel, thanks very much. If you don't want to support the channel in any other way, speak English, Kevin, in any other way than just watching, here's to you. You're just as important as everybody else. Have a good one.